Hi guys, welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. In this week's video I'm just going to show you the new presenter mode in Microsoft Teams and how it's going to help you, especially if you're heavy on demonstrating content to the people that you're in meetings with. So historically, if you was putting up content on the screen, be it an Excel sheet or your entire desktop, then when you went into the presenter mode, then you would drop off, so the people wouldn't be able to see your video anymore. They'd only be able to see the content that's presented on the screen. And that represented a poor experience, especially if you're in sales, because there's less of your face time with the customer. So what Microsoft have done is they've delivered this new presenter mode, and when you go to share content now, you can see that there's two modes: standard, content only, and this new standout mode. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose standout mode, and then I'm going to pick a window. So I'm just going to pick a Finder window, for example. And then what that's going to do is it's going to put me front and center with the customer while I'm showing what's on the screen. So as I click around and demonstrate the product or the spreadsheet that I'm trying to show people, I'm still down here on the screen and people can still see me. So that's a nice new piece of functionality. It's a tiny little button when you go to present, and so nobody's noticed it really, but it is a welcome feature. Hope that's really useful to you this week, folks, and if you need any help with Microsoft Teams training or getting your business to utilize the cloud more, then give us a shout.